Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Balenciaga sunglasses, model BB0096s in color code 006. The color of the frame is green. And these glasses are an oval shape. The lenses are gray, and on its top right lens, you'll find the Balenciaga logo engraved in the lens. The temples are also green, and you'll find the Balenciaga BB in gold on its temples. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Balenciaga logo in white that it's made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number and color code of the frame and the dimensions. 51 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 130 is for its temples. The glasses also come with the Balenciaga hard case, and on the case is the Balenciaga logo, and also on the inside a Balenciaga cleaning cloth, and on the cloth is the Balenciaga logo, a Balenciaga authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Kering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com, and have a joyful day.